Hi guys, Lens here. In this video, if you can't get your phone to connect to your computer, I am going to show you how we are going to do so. Right, this is the A21s, and what you want to do first, you want to dial star number sign 0808 number sign. Right, you should see some options coming up here. Right, you want to ensure that this is on MTP to begin with, then you hit OK. If your phone not connecting to your computer, and if you have tried different ports, you have tried different cable as well, and you're still not able to connect, I am going to show you what you can do. So guys, we are going to connect the USB cable. Normally the phone will ask you to allow access to the phone, and then you will see it detect on my computer. It should detect on my computer. If it is not detecting on your computer, you want to go to the top. You want to go here where it says USB 4 file transfer. Ensure that it is on transferring files. Now if you're still not able to access it on the computer, you want to head over to settings. You want to go to about phone, then you want to go to software information. You want to hit on the build number 7 times. This will enable the developer options. Then you go back, you go to the developer options here, then you scroll down until you see USB debugging. You enable USB debugging. USB debugging is now enabled. As you can see here, you can see in the background there where it says Galaxy A21s. So what we're going to do now, we are going to go back, and as you can see, the phone is detected. As you can see, that Corel photo downloader asking me for new photos found on Galaxy A21s. It is now detected, and as you can see here. So guys, that's what you can do to get your phone detected on your Windows computer. I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe.